June 2nd, 2023. So the two hives are kind of set up so that their entrances are facing towards the southeast area. So the morning sunshine should wake them up bright and early at around 5 in the morning. Warm up the hive, get them to go start foraging, and essentially just kind of they'll get the sun shining into those two front portholes and the front entrance, and carry on. And then I'll put a canvas cover over top to give them some shading over the course of the day. And in the rear, they'll get some evening sunshine just to keep them warm overnight. So hopefully that'll keep them all very happy.